Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sand filters to help you find the best option for your pool. Whether you're looking for efficiency, durability, or value for money, we've got you covered. We'll be counting down the top 5 sand filters on the market right now, so stick around to see which one takes the top spot. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below for more details. Now, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Extreme Power US 12-inch sand filter, which is also our budget pick at just $169.95. This model is designed for above-ground pools up to 10,000 gallons and comes with a 7-way multi-port valve for versatile cleaning. With options like backwash, rinse, and winter settings, it's built to handle a variety of pool maintenance tasks. The 42-pound sand capacity ensures long-lasting filtration. And as a bonus, the filter media is included, saving you some extra bucks up front. In terms of design, this sand filter boasts a compact yet durable build. It's constructed from a mix of metal, aluminum, and sturdy plastic for reliability. The low-noise design is a thoughtful touch, making it ideal for homeowners who prefer quieter operation. The unit is lightweight at just 22 pounds, making it relatively easy to install and maneuver. However, the 2,400 GLPH flow rate is on the lower side compared to some competitors, which means it might take a bit longer to circulate and filter your pool water. While this model is affordable and delivers consistent performance, it's best suited for smaller above-ground pools. If you're on a tight budget and need a no-frills solution for keeping your pool water clean, this is a great pick. However, for larger pools or higher flow rate requirements, you might want to look at other options higher on this list. Pros include its affordability, versatility, and ease of use, while the cons are its limited flow rate and smaller capacity. At number 4, we have the Swimline Hydrotools Complete Sand Filter System. Priced at $179.99, this 12-inch filter is designed for pools up to 8,000 gallons. Its standout feature is the 4-way multi-port valve, which provides essential settings like backwash, rinse, filtration, and winter mode. The oversized 42-pound sand capacity allows for efficient water filtration while minimizing the frequency of sand replacement. Swimline claims that the sand can last up to 5 years, giving you peace of mind and less maintenance hassle. The design of this filter is quite robust, with a double-reinforced molded tank for added durability. The included 0.3 THP single-speed pump offers a decent 1,980 GPH flow rate, and its low-noise design ensures a quieter operation. At 20 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, but its slightly taller build may require careful placement. The setup process is straightforward, and the system comes with everything you need right out of the box, including a pressure gauge and strainer basket. While this system is an excellent choice for smaller pools, its 8,000-gallon capacity may feel limiting for some users. Additionally, its pump power is less robust than other models on this list, which could affect cleaning efficiency over time. That said, Swimline's reputation for quality and their 1-year warranty make this a solid mid-tier option for pool owners. Pros include its durable build, quiet operation, and easy installation, while cons are its lower flow rate and smaller pool capacity. Coming in at number 3, we have the Intex Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump 12-inch model. While the price may vary, this unit is a favorite among pool owners for its powerful 2,100 GPH pump flow rate and a system flow rate of 1,600 GPH. The 6-function control valve gives you the flexibility to manage your pool's maintenance efficiently, with settings for filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close. It's ideal for above-ground pools ranging from 16 to 24 feet in diameter, making it a versatile choice for medium to large pools. The build quality is excellent, featuring a robust plastic tank and a heavy-duty pump motor. At 36.9 pounds, it's the heaviest on our list, but the added weight speaks to its durability. The built-in 24-hour timer allows for automated operation, reducing the hassle of manual adjustments. The strainer basket is another standout feature. prolonging the life of the sand while making cleaning a breeze. This model excels in performance, but it does come with a slightly steeper learning curve for setup, especially for first-time users. It's also worth noting that replacement sand is not included. However, the high flow rate and the trusted Intex brand make this a reliable option for pool owners who want a balance of power and convenience. Pros include its high flow rate, versatile valve, and durable design, while cons are its heavier weight and potentially complex setup. Our runner-up is the Intex SX1500 Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump, priced at $179.99. Designed for pools up to 8,400 gallons, this model features a 1,500 GPH pump flow rate and a system flow rate of 1,050 GPH. The standout feature here is Intex's hydroaeration technology, which improves water circulation, filtration, and clarity while increasing negative ions at the water surface. This technology is a game changer, especially for those who prioritize water quality. The design is compact and user-friendly, weighing just under 25 pounds. The 24-hour timer with preset cycles from 2 to 12 hours adds to the convenience, giving you a set-it-and-forget-it experience. The plastic construction is durable and built to withstand the elements, though it may not feel as premium as some of the higher-end models. The pump is quiet and energy efficient, making it great for residential use. While this filter is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized pools, its flow rate may not be sufficient for larger setups. Additionally, it requires partial assembly, though the process is relatively straightforward. If you're looking for an affordable option with advanced filtration technology, this is a fantastic pick. Pros include its innovative hydroaeration technology, ease of use, and compact design, while cons are its moderate flow rate and limited pool capacity. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Extreme Power US 13-inch sand filter with a 3/4 HP pool pump, priced at $199.95. This premium option offers a powerful 2,640 GPH flow rate, making it highly efficient for pools up to 10,000 gallons. The 4-way valve system supports essential functions like backwash, rinse, filtration, and winter settings, ensuring year-round performance. The integrated digital programmer timer is a standout feature, allowing you to customize operation times from 2 to 24 hours for ultimate convenience. The build quality here is top-notch. The ABS plastic construction is not only durable, but also lightweight at 26 pounds. The low-noise design and energy-efficient operation make it an excellent choice for residential pools. Installation is quick and straightforward, taking less than 5 minutes to set up. The 42-pound sand capacity ensures optimal filtration, and its performance is consistent even with regular use. While this filter is the most expensive on our list, it's worth every penny for those who want premium features and reliable performance. The only minor downside is the slightly bulkier design, which may require more space for setup. Overall, this is the best option for medium to large pool owners who want power, convenience, and durability in one package. Pros include its high flow rate, digital timer, and robust build, while cons are its higher price tag and larger footprint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you narrow down your options for the best sand filter for your pool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions or need more details about the products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy swimming.